welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Let's prepare a quick breakfast, quick healthy breakfast if you want to lose weight. I hope you all are doing good. It's been a while since I posted and I'm glad I'm posting today. I wish you all well. Just sit, relax and enjoy this video. I know and I'm sure that you're gonna love it. Right, let's get started. All you need is simply 2 ingredients, egg and oil. Yes, and you're good to go. So all you have to do is simply crack your egg, oil your pan and pour in your egg there and fry. It's simple, quick and easy to prepare, and it is less fat because you can literally fry this without any oil. If you wish, you can leave out oil in your pan if you have non-stick pan. Okay, yeah, it is simple as that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me let you guys watch this. Let me spare you guys the talk. Also, if it's your first time of stopping by here, kindly subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a nice comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. All right, I'm gonna see you all on my next one. Enjoy the video. Bye bye.